How to check how long you've been subscribed to someone on YouTube. Now, this is the easiest method that I'm gonna be showing you. First things first is to pull up your web browser and go to your settings. Go to your Google settings account. Now, if you're logged in as a guest account, all you have to do is click on your image and click manage your Google account. And then go to data and privacy. Now, once you're here, you scroll down and click on YouTube history. You'll be routed to activity controls and you just go ahead and scroll down and click on manage history here. So on the upper left side of your screen, you click on interactions. You scroll down and then under other YouTube interactions, go to channel subscriptions. Click on that. So this is where all your subscribed YouTubers will show. For example, let's choose on this one. So if you want to see how long you've been subscribed to this channel, just simply click on it and it will show the date and the specific time and how long you've been subscribed to this YouTuber. So that's how you can check on how long you have subscribed to this YouTube channel.